Mastering semicolons with conjunctive adverbs. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, punctuation with conjunctive adverbs. We'll specifically concentrate on semicolons with conjunctive adverbs. Don't worry if this sounds a bit complex now. By the end of this video, you'll be using these with confidence. So, what exactly are conjunctive adverbs? Well, they're words that join two independent clauses together. They show a relationship between the two sentences, like cause and effect, contrast, or sequence. Examples include however, therefore, likewise, consequently, and many others. Before we talk about using semicolons with conjunctive adverbs, let's understand what a semicolon is. A semicolon, winking face, is a punctuation mark that is often used to link two related but independent clauses. It provides a pause longer than a comma but shorter than a period. It's a great tool to use when you want to smoothly connect closely related ideas. Now, onto the main topic. How do we use semicolons with conjunctive adverbs? Well, when we have two independent clauses and we want to connect them with a conjunctive adverb, we place a semicolon before the adverb and a comma after it. Here's a formula to help you remember: independent clause, conjunctive adverb, independent clause. Let's see it in action with an example. John loves playing football. However, he doesn't have time to play regularly. Here, John loves playing football, and he doesn't have time to play regularly are two independent clauses. However is a conjunctive adverb showing a contrast between these two ideas. Notice how we've used a semicolon before, however, and a comma after it. The best way to learn is by practicing. So, let's practice what we've learned with more examples. I was feeling tired, therefore, I decided to take a nap. My sister loves cats. Likewise, I love dogs. He was running late, consequently, he missed his bus. Remember, practice is key. The more you use semicolons and conjunctive adverbs, the more comfortable you'll get with them. There you have it. You've mastered the art of using semicolons with conjunctive adverbs. It may seem a little tricky at first, but remember, practice makes perfect. Keep writing and experimenting with these, and soon it'll become second nature to you. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.